T-Mobile error code 511 indicates your device can't register on the network or detect the SIM card. This prevents calls, texts, and data usage. The primary causes include faulty SIM cards, improper SIM insertion, network congestion, outdated device firmware, or conflicts with VPNs or third-party apps. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device. Remove and reinsert the SIM card or toggle your eSIM. Ensure airplane mode is off. For physical SIMs, inspect for damage. For eSIMs, reactivate via the T-Mobile app. These steps address the most common issues. If basic steps fail, update your device's carrier settings via the Settings menu and reset network settings. Manually verify your APN is set to fasttmobile.com. Test your SIM card in another device to rule out hardware failure. If it fails, request a free replacement from T-Mobile. To prevent future occurrences, keep your device updated. Avoid rooting or jailbreaking. Ensure your phone supports T-Mobile's network bands, including band 1271 for LTE. Regularly check T-Mobile's outage map or contact their support for real-time status updates, especially after software updates or during peak usage times. Also, consider switching to eSIM for enhanced reliability.